Hi all. Now we are going to see the basic operations of NumPy array. In NumPy, basically we have three different types of array operations. They are arithmetic operations, comparison operations, and logical operations. We'll see one by one. The arithmetic operations actually perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of elements in two different arrays. Likewise, we can find the exponential of the element in a particular array. Also, we can perform the modulus of elements in two different arrays. The comparison operators are used to find the difference between the two elements, such a way that you can find which element is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or are they equal and are they not equal. So this can be done by using the comparison operations. Likewise, the logical operations are performed to find whether it is a true or false. It is done by logical and, logical or, and logical not. So these are the arithmetic operations. The element-wise operation are, as I mentioned earlier, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and modulus. And the operators are this. We can perform this operation either by using the operators or by using the function. That is the advantage of using the NumPy in Python. So if we use the operator between this plus operator between two arrays, the elements of each array will be the first and the second array will be added. Instead, if we use add function, the same function will be or the same operation will be performed. Likewise, it goes on with the different operators and the functions. Let us check with this code. So as I mentioned, we have two different arrays, array 1 and array 2. We are importing the numpy as np and creating two different arrays with these elements. So basically if we add 1 with 2, the output should be 3. Likewise 3 plus 4 will be 7, and this it just goes on by this way. And here the example is shown such a way that we are performing the addition operation by using both plus operator as well as add function. So here the result will be written as array 1 element plus array 2. So it will be added and the result will be displayed. Likewise, we are performing the same addition operation by using the add function. np.add will be writing the two arrays that we are supposed to add. Let us check what is the output. See, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7 and just goes on 11 and 15. Both the answers are same because we are having the same elements in the same array, two different arrays, and we are just performing the same operation, but only thing is we are using the plus operator as well as the add function. Likewise, we'll be checking for the subtraction also. We have two different arrays we have created as array 1 and array 2, and we are trying to perform the subtraction by using the minus operator or by using the function subtract. So we'll be subtracting each and every element from array 1 and array 2. Let us check what will be the output. It should be 1 and 5. Yeah, 1, 5, 21 and 37. So we can perform addition or subtraction either by using the operator or the function. Same way we'll be performing for the remaining operations also. For multiplication division, it is shown here. Same like the previous case, we have two arrays and we try to use the multiplication operator or nothing but the asterisk, or we use the multiply. Here the hash and the divide function is used. Let us check the output. So 1 into 2 is 2 and 3 4s are 12. Likewise it goes on. Same way when you divide, it becomes 0.5 and we have the further answers. Okay, so we can perform the operations, either the arithmetic operations by either the operator or the function. We'll check the exponential and modulus also. So this is the example for exponential and modulus. So if we want to find the exponential of this, we'll check what is the answer, and the modulus is, we know it is the remainder mod function or the percentage symbol is used. So it is just 1 and 4 and 9. We got the answer. Yeah. And here for the mod operation, it's 1, 0 because we'll not get any remainder here, and we'll get a remainder in first and last element. That's how it goes on. So basically the arithmetic operations can be performed using the operators or by using the functions. Next is the comparison operation. Here it is again we are just going to find which is less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to or not equal to. So the operators are, the symbols are these, the symbols are these represented in the operator column. We'll check one by one with the example. So first is we are trying with creating two different arrays. We are trying with less than. So is 1 less than 3, and 3 2 is less than or 2, 3 less than 1. Likewise, we are checking for less than or equal to, greater than or equal to between each and every element in the two arrays. Greater than is also performed, equal to and not equal to. Let us check what is the output. Yeah, 1 is less than 3, yeah, true. 2 is less than 2, false because it is equal. And 3 is less than 1, no, it's false. And this is how it goes on for the other cases also. Fine. The same operation is performed with the function. Earlier in the previous part, we have performed with the operator. Now we are performing with the function. So we'll check what is the output. 1 is less than 3, true. It's just np dot less. 2 is equal to 2, but we have asked for less than, so it is false. And 3 is greater than 1, so it is not less, hence it is false. Likewise, other operators, other functions perform, and the output is shown here. And comes the logical operations. So we just compute the element wise true or truth value, and it is AND operation is basically done, and OR operation not operation. We all know what is AND, OR and not. If all the inputs are high or 1, the output will be high or 1. If even one input is high or 1, then the output will be high or 1. That is the OR operation. And NOT is the reverse part. So we have two different arrays. This is true and false. This is true and false. For AND operation, even if 1 is 0, you will not get the output. Or the other way of saying, if and only if both the inputs are high, we'll get the output as high. And let us check for the output. Yeah, because here it is true and false. It's not both being true, so it is false here. It is false, and so it is false and true and true. It's true. And here again OR operation true and false and true, because in this case it's both been true and it's not true here, and that is why it is false. And whatever we give is for the array 1 and array 2, it is generating in the different way, false, true and false. Okay, thank you.